You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that does exist in English. It's also the name of a system software, but in French, because yes, it comes from French. That's why it's got accents even in English. Protégé is the French pronunciation. This is the past participle, or the participle of the verb protéger, which means protect. So the person who's protected, or something that is protected. Protégé. Protégé is the English pronunciation. In French, pronunciation protégé. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.